Hello guys, and today I'm going to do a video about my new budgie diet for the morning. And it's absolutely new with some added pellets, which is healthier of course. Trying to make them eat pellets, yeah. And a supplement, but there's way more than just that. Okay, so we're going to start with the white cup. I always start with the white cup. For the white cup, the first ingredient is these budgies. They have many supplements. That's the whole reason I got them. And we're going to add a bit of that. Okay, that should be it. Just a little more. Now our second ingredient is a moulting food, because some of my budgies, and maybe I think all my budgies are now moulting. This is one of the moulting foods. Yeah, so when you have a budgie that's moulting, you need to give them extra care, more fruits and veggies, and I'm also giving them some moulting food. Okay, so we're going to add a bit of that. Okay, so mix that a bit. And our second ingredient is another moulting food, but it's a different one. And this one actually includes egg. Yes. Let's add this one. It looks pretty different, but it still has some seeds inside. Okay, just like that, and mix. And our last ingredient, not last, wait, so I'm gonna add the supplement and then the pellets. That's what I do. Also their supplement, I add 3 little droplets of this. So that's 1. This is 2. And then 3. There we go. Just gonna mix that a bit. There are many supplements with water. We couldn't find that, so we found for their food and their seeds, and yeah, I think they're only for seeds, not for pellets. That I'm adding them only on the seeds. And now the pellets. The reason why our budgies don't eat pellets is because the pellets are too big for their beaks. I've seen Bobby eat one before, but it was very hard for him, so we're going to make these and smush them today. I think, I don't know when, but they're not smushed yet. Yeah, so, and now once I add these, they're not colored, they're made of fruit. I read the ingredients. I'm gonna add scoop seeds. If you're wondering what the sound is, that's my budgies. I don't know what they're doing up there. Mix it. I'm not going to add a lot of pellets now because I don't want to waste them, because I'm going to squish them and make them into little crumbles so they can eat enough crumbles, just tinier pieces. Okay, so that is our first dish. I didn't add as much pellets as I usually do, so yeah. And our second dish is this yellow one. So the first one we're going to add is my seed mix. This is my seed mix. It's not what it says here. This is seed mix I made. I'm not going to add a lot of this one. For this one, I'm not adding any supplement. Okay. And the second one is just this moulting food, not the other one. I don't know what my budgies are doing there. I'm gonna check soon. Okay, here we go. And then we're going to have some pellets, a bit of pellets. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so our yellow one was much easier. Okay, so I'm going to take you. We're going to go to the budgies. So we're going to start with this one. There, those are my budgies. And just going to... Fifi. She's so curious.